the world is made out of. Well, if you do the same thing in transcendental Vrindavan and you go deeper and deeper into what it is made of, you find prem. It is all made out of prem. And prem is not a material substance. But still, it can make a world. Well, we say we can also transform this world. Okay? You say we'll also transform this world with prem. That's our goal. Okay? So Radharani, she not only makes your heart soft, she makes your heart moist with prem, and then she gives you a taste of her own ananda.
Yeah.
So this is actually you could, well, as we talk more, we'll get more. So that kim ashcharyam. Kim ashcharyam. This is beyond words. You can't explain. This is something. So, yatha apicha kripana pakshe yuttama shloka shabda iti vat mahimartaha. Okay, so now I've been struggling with this. I have to tell you, I've been almost dreading coming to the last sentence because of this one quotation. He quotes from here, from Brahmara Gita. So it's actually, I don't think that he's making a complicated point. Here, this is the last line of one of the verses from Brahmara Gita. Apicha kripana pakshe yuttama shloka shabda. But really, the Brahmara Gita is a very complex 10 verses. To understand the Brahmara Gita is really, if you're getting to a high level you're getting a high level of panditya if you can explain the Brahmara Gita, quite honestly. Because the Radharani is talking to the bee. Everybody should know this. The Brahmara Gita is the 47th chapter of the 10th canto. And when that happens, when Uddhava comes to Vrindavan, and the first thing that he does, when he meets the gopis, then one gopi, unnamed, but we know that this is Radha, according to our tradition, she doesn't talk directly to Uddhava. She doesn't come and talk to him, but she starts talking to a bee. Some bee there. Or she pretends that there's a bee there, who knows. Madhuvakita vabandhu. And she starts talking to but it's like she pretends she's talking to the bee because she wouldn't say that to Uddhava. She's polite. She's polite enough not to speak directly to Uddhava in this way. But it's really meant for Uddhava. So she says, Bumblebee, you're a friend of a real cheat and rascal. So this is the mood of this is the way the Brahmara Gita, the 10 verses. So all the scholars they're all trying to extract as much juice out of every word as they can. So in this verse here, it's what is stated in the verse is that Radharani is saying. And so, because of that, because I'm not going to be able to give you all the details of how it would take, probably, if I did, even then it would take a long time. And we're almost at the end of the class. So I'm going to plead that we don't have time.
So tomorrow you will start with it.
Yeah. Do you want me to tell this, Brahmara Gita?
Yeah.
Well, the point here is that just to this line. So apicha kripana paksh. After she's berating Krishna, right? She's saying that Krishna is not merciful. He's a rascal. And so on. But still, he's called Uttama Shloka. So Uttama Shloka, the word Uttama Shloka, he's praised. He's glorified. So he's saying that what he says here, that the glorification of Uttama Shloka, she says apicha kripana pakshe. So the being merciful, being compassionate, that's the real meaning of your glory. Uttama Shloka, he's called Uttama Shloka, but he's not living up to his name. He's not living up to his name and he's not being merciful. So therefore, take the other meaning of kripana, which means miserly. So it says, is it not? And so she's asking a question. Is it not? Then apicha, is it not that he's called Uttama Shloka, but really he's a miserly person. He doesn't give his grace. Kripana. Well, I don't know how it works, but anyway, kripana is what's the relation? Kripa, the etymological relationship. I'd have to go and look that up. Kripa and kripana. Kripa means mercy, but Kripana means miserly. Kripana means someone who doesn't want to give the mercy. So Krishna doesn't want to give the mercy, that's what she's saying. But here he's not taking that meaning. He's saying that he's just using this verse. You see, so I was looking very complicated into this meaning of this line to find out what exactly he's getting at here. But he's just saying, all he's saying is that Uttama Shloka means being merciful. So here he's saying that Radharani's Mahima, Radharani's glory, is that she is merciful, and this is the nature of her mercy. So he's just kind of clarifying the usage of the word Kripa. That the word and the relationship of Kripa to Mahima is the same as in that verse where he says that the word Kripa should mean that Uttama Shloka. If you're glorified, if you're glorious, you're only glorious in as much as you are merciful. If you are not merciful, you have your glory is not real. So that's what Radharani is saying about Krishna, and here he's also saying that Radharani's mercy is in her glory is in her mercy. Okay? So we can stop there.
Jai Jai
Jai
Shri
Jai Shri
Ram.
Radhe Shyam.
Jai Sri Radhe Shyam. Not always. Next time I do that, I'll do it better. Not always clear. Say something for the first time. Jai Jai Radhe Krishna.